Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to rate the SofaScore app on the Google Play Store using your Android phone. Whether you love the app or have some suggestions, leaving a review helps the developers and other users. First, open the SofaScore app on your Android device. Make sure you are in the Profile section by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap the Settings icon to access app settings. After that, scroll down and select the Rate Us option. This will automatically redirect you to the SofaScore page on the Google Play Store. Now, tap on the number of stars you want to give, from 1 to 5 stars, depending on your experience. Finally, to write feedback, click on Write a Review, then type your opinion and hit Post. That's how you can easily rate and review SofaScore on the Play Store. Your feedback helps improve the app for everyone. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more helpful tips.